Time walk with prophecy, from scroll to screen, from pharaoh to fake king, from Rome to rhythm, from stone to smartphone, still Jah watch everything. This a chronology. Them build pyramids in a Kemet sun, then flood the Nile, Babylon begun. From Persia come scroll, from Greece come myth, from Rome come cross, then chains get switched. The temple fall, the prophets cry, Jah people scatter, still asking why. Them colonize land, baptize pain, gold ships sail, but bring blood stain. Me see Caesar dressed like Pope and King, but spirit inside still rob and win. Me read the books, me trace the ink, history tell me more than them think. Jah take care of the ones who seek, the ones who humble, the quiet meek, the heart we stay upon a kingdom way, beyond the time and the war and play. Jah take care, me can't deny, in a Babylon still me rise high. Me meditate and me chant each day, cause Zion rule when the world fade away. Atlantic chain, cotton cane field, then we march up for civil shield. But the laws change face and the cell get deep, while freedom dance on a surface beat. Oil wars and economic schemes, we trade truth for election dreams. Them promise we light but a blackout boom. Them lock we mind in a social room. Digital feed but hunger stay. We scroll for peace but swipe away. 1,000 years of empire pride, still Jah truth can't run or hide. Jah take care of the ones who seek, the ones who sow love and not take cheat. The heart way firm in a righteous lane, beyond the money and worldly gain. Jah take care from dusk to dawn, even when system mash up and gone. Me meditate and me fast and pray, Zion rise when the world decay. Me born pon zinc, here gun from birth. Me cry same time, police fire first. Me grow with dirt under me nail. Me learn say truth can't post pon sale. My granny teach my Bible line, my uncle teach me how for grind. Me see my brethren fall in war, for color, for turf, for under par. Me walk bush road barefoot for school, me washing stream, me wading cool. Me say Jah guide me from gun and jail, I know me chant from ghetto to Jah take care from the youth to know, from cane for cut to furrow plow. The heart will love, Jah can't let fall, even when world rise up and stall. Jah take care, him always near, through pain, through fight, through doubt and fear. Me chant my name in eternity, cause Jah walk my full chronology. Me not just a number in a Babylon plan, me a soul with timeline in Jah right hand. Chronology, from start to start.